Today, on Research Explored, we're diving into a fascinating topic that you've probably never stopped to think about. How many cells make up your body? From the heart that beats tirelessly to the skin that protects you from the outside world, your body is a universe full of life and activity, all thanks to cells. Get ready to discover impressive facts that will make you see your own body with new eyes. Let's begin.
To understand how many cells are part of you, we must first know what a cell is. A cell is the basic unit of life, a small but powerful structure that contains everything necessary to keep an organism alive. In the case of humans, each cell has a unique function, designed to fulfill a specific purpose. Some allow your muscles to move, others transport oxygen throughout the body, and some are even part of the brain, helping you think and feel. Without these tiny architects, life as we know it would not be possible. The total number of cells in the human body is something that leaves anyone speechless. Scientists estimate that there are, on average, about 37 trillion cells in the body of an adult person. To put this number into perspective, imagine it is a 37 followed by 12 zeros. This calculation is not random. It is based on the average size of cells and on human body weight. Although the number may vary depending on factors such as age, size, or body composition, what is indisputable is that our body is a true miracle of nature, composed of a multitude of small units working in harmony. Every cell in your body has a purpose. Red blood cells, for example, are responsible for transporting oxygen and nutrients to every corner of your body, and there are approximately 25 trillion of them. On the other hand, brain cells, although less numerous, have a crucial role. They control your thoughts, emotions, and movements. Muscle cells allow you to move, from blinking to running a marathon, while skin cells form a protective barrier that is constantly renewing itself. The most amazing thing is how all these cells work together, as if they were the pieces of a clock, to keep you alive and functioning. Surprising as it may seem, there are not only human cells in your body. In reality, there are more bacteria than your own cells. For every human cell, there are approximately 1.3 bacteria living in your body. These bacteria are not intruders. They are vital allies for your health. They inhabit places like the gut, skin, and mouth, helping in functions such as digestion and protection against diseases. This microscopic ecosystem, known as the microbiome, shows that we are not just human, but a complex system that depends on multiple life forms to survive. Inside each cell is DNA, the genetic code that acts as an instruction manual for the entire organism. DNA not only defines our physical characteristics, but also guides each cell in its specific functions. Thanks to this complex structure, cells can form tissues, produce proteins, and maintain the necessary balance for the whole body to function. It's amazing to think that within these tiny units lies all the information that makes our existence possible.
The human body is a marvel composed of 37 trillion cells that work together to keep us alive. But the most incredible thing is that we are not alone. We share our body with a microscopic world that is essential for our health. From breathing to thinking, everything we do is possible thanks to this fascinating biological machinery. Now that you know more about how you are made, what do you find most impressive about this microcosm within you? Leave it in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Research Explored to continue discovering more curiosities about life and the universe. See you in the next video.